Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add additional data nodes and master nodes. So what we have done in the previous video, you can watch that. We simply set up our Elasticsearch cluster on Amazon EKS. We have 5 node cluster, right? And now what we are going to do, we are going to simply add additional nodes. So what I've done previously, and drag my cluster on the lens. So this is our cluster. You see currently the status of node is this. So we have these number of nodes, right? And if you see the master node 0, 1, which means two master node, and 0, 1, data 0, data 1, which are two nodes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply add additional data nodes and master nodes. So I'm going to use the same command which I have done for previously for the installation. So you can copy that. So what I need to do regarding the replica count, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the replica count of data nodes to 3, and also I'm going to change the replica count of master to 3 as well. So let's do that. We are going to add additional nodes. Along with that, automatically it will add the PVCs, which is persistent volume claims. So let's do that. So once this release is done, this is going to be our second release. Let me show you in the lens. So navigate to the releases section in the Elasticsearch namespace. You see second release just has been successfully deployed, right? Almost deployed. So we need to wait for a while, and once everything is well, we should be able to see stuff regarding to the creation of new pods. So you see, we have successfully set up the second release, and if I navigate to the pods, you will see the provisioning of pods are going to be happen. You see the pending status of other pods. So you see the additional PVC as well. So if I navigate to the section PVCs, so this will take time. It will update the other nodes as well. It will to by in Kubernetes we have by default the service discovery is there, so it will discover the masters as well automatically. So if I navigate to the persistent volume claim, you will see that additional volumes are going to be added. You can simply click on this and see the age. So you can see the difference. So these two persistent volume claims has now been added. So we can easily see the difference here as well. So regarding the other stuff, okay, navigate to the stateful set. You will see previously we currently, okay, the replica count set to three previously we have two. So once our pods are going to be in healthy and healthy state, we should be able to see the stuff that we are going to access our cluster through Kibana then and see the status. So you see it is automatically terminating the old uh, stuff, and it is not going to remove any of the persistent volume claims. So you see out doing the stuff automatically for us. And if I navigate from to the section in the AWS, navigate to the storage section. Okay, volumes. Simply refresh it. You will see the additional volumes are going to be created regarding our two replica count of one master and one data node. So this will take some time just to update you. But everything is going to be done automatically for us. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a shell into Kibana, and I will show you that the difference in the nodes. And once everything will be available, you will see that then we have the master nodes are going to be 3, and data nodes are going to be 3 as well from 2. So, as I told you, this will take some time. We need to wait for a while. So, let's wait. Till then, guys, I'm going to pause the video, but definitely you see it has changed Elasticsearch 0, 1, 1 and 2, right? Similarly, in the data node 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1 and 2, 3 are going to be available. So everything has been done automatically. So the coolest thing using the Kubernetes is that you can set up the cluster easily on Kubernetes, right? So, and everything is going to be done automatically. So you might think that it is removing the other stuff. So it is not actually removing the other stuff. It is actually updating the other parts, and which are going to be automatically attached to those existing uh, persistent volume claims. So as I told you, regarding the automation, service discovery, everything is going to be done automatically. So we have to wait for a while. So that's why I'm not pausing the video, and I'm showing you all the stuff uh, without any pause in the video. So okay, wait, and we have to wait for a while to make sure this guy should be in the green state, and everything is going to be then available for us. So if I navigate to the stateful stats, so you see currently the status is set to 3, and we need we will shortly seeing the stuff regarding our status. You see change to 3, so which means one I mean three of the three pods are running, so we have only one of the master node which is now become healthy. So if I navigate to the stateful stats, you will see that everything is available. So what I'm going to do, navigate to the service section, click this guy, sorry, click this and do the port forwarding again. To click port forwarding, I'm going to use the same port. You can select any port, and we are going to port forward on our local machine and in this browser. So let's do that. So I've removed the other tab. So let it open, and we should be able to see the difference in the nodes. So what I'm going to do, navigate to the section, navigate to the stack monitoring section, right? And you see the number of nodes changed to 10. Previously it was 8. So this is the screenshot, guys, just to show you. And if I click the nodes, you will see we have now 3 nodes, right, regarding the data 01, 012, and similarly master, and the state of our cluster is green. So that is it, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and have a nice day. Let me remove the stuff. Thank you very much.